Hmm. Have you ever opened your shoe rack and still felt no comfortable pair to wear? Trust me, and maybe you can relate it. I was in the same struggle for such a long time. But now, when I start building my capsule wardrobe, I realized something. Most of us still having same many pairs, but only a few that we're willing to wear. The reason is simple. We keep buying random pairs that match only one outfit, or shoes that looks good but are not comfortable. After some time, they start hurting your feet. The fitting feels wrong and the whole outfit looks off. So we buy another pair again and again with never ending loop. In the end, we are just having more shoes, more confusion and more money wasted. So today's video is exactly solving this problem. I am going to show you the only shoes we need and perfectly match to almost every outfit. If you are building your capsule wardrobe, this video is going to help you to choose the right designs and colors of the footwear. Just a few versatile pairs that can go with everyday look, party wear look and casual look. Whether it's office outfits, casual outfits, jeans, trousers or dresses. Once you have these essentials, getting dressed becomes much easier and less time consuming. So let's get into it. So before we start, let's quickly understand the three main footwear categories that I personally follow and I believe should be the starting point of capsule wardrobe build. These are heels, flats and shoes. So out of three, shoes is my personal favorite because they are comfortable and of course loved by almost every woman nowadays. So stay till the end because I'll explain what type of shoes we can choose, how to pair them, color ideas, and how many pairs do we really require that can go with almost every outfit. So let's start with first footwear category, which is women heels. So here I feel we don't need extremely high heels for everyday styling. A simple belly style with small block heels works perfectly. It looks elegant and is much easier to walk in. If you are comfortable with pointed heels, you can choose them, but only if they feel good, not only looks good on your feet. If you feel your schedule having a lot of walking, it is better to avoid very pointed heels to give comfort to your feet. Remember, the product is waste of money if it can't solve the primary purpose, which is walking freely and comfortably. Here I feel an alternate option is a simple edge heel or small block heel, which is relatively comfortable than pointed heel. Try to always choose neutral colors like black or beige. These works with almost every office outfit like straight pants, flare jeans, trousers, skirts or dresses. A small heels instantly make your outfit look more polished. Here is a small hack. If you choose box heels, try designs having thin buckle strap at the back of the footwear. It gives that extra support while walking. And the second hack is, if your bottom wear is black, then choose black shades footwear. Otherwise, we can always go with neutral shades. Next, add a belly heels to your wardrobe. Make sure always choose brands that provide good cushioning around the flat portion and ankle area. Hard materials without cushioning can cause shoe bites, especially if you wear them for a long hours. So keep heels simple, neutral and comfortable. Remember these key points next time while going shopping for footwear. Then let's talk about second category, which is women flats. Flats are probably the most used footwear in everyday life. Here I suggest two styles that works with almost every outfit, which are belly style flats and loafers. And also these are the latest trend of 2026. Belly flats are always perfect for casual days, office wear or quick outings if we want to avoid that heel for some times. They go beautifully with ankle length trousers, straight pants, dresses and jeans. They look feminine, polished while still being comfortable. Make sure about the material is good while choosing any footwear because it matters most if we talk about comfort and stylish look. For example, these are few examples of flat designs which I personally like. Loafers are slightly more structured. You can think of them as a more polished version of casual footwear that works really well with office outfits, trousers, and relaxed denim. But here also pay attention to the footwear materials, or if you can just go with leather materials which looks polished and elegant with office or any casual outfit. Here another option is foam based sandals. If you have scheduled to walk a lot during the day, just go with these designs. It has cushions if we prefer to go with good brands. They are much more comfortable than any normal flats. Always focus on comfort while choosing any type of footwear. Also here I have one suggestion which is sleepers, which I feel should also be part of footwear collections while building any capsule wardrobe. If you are someone who prefer to wear sleepers daily at home, recently I switched to this sleepers designs because my feet used to hurt during daily walking at home. These type of slippers I feel now is a great option compared to normal flat slippers. If you want, give a try to this. I'll leave the link in the description and you can share your experience in the comment section. Now let's come to my favorite category, which is shoes, especially sneakers. If there is one footwear that gives you maximum versatility, it is a good pair of sneakers. Instead of buying many random sneakers, invest in just one or two high quality pairs that are comfortable and durable. And you will be able to wear them much more time than just once or twice. Make sure to choose neutral shades like white, beige or soft tones. As per 2026 trends, sneakers with little texture or minimal design looks great and go with almost every outfit. Whether you wear a jeans, dresses, casual trousers or any travel specific outfits, they balance the outfit properly and make it look relaxed and stylish at the same time. You can also keep one pair of sports shoes if you like. Personally, I prefer wearing sports shoes mostly with jeans for a casual day, especially if I have scheduled to work more during that day. But if you really enjoy wearing sports shoes with dresses, especially shorter dresses, you can go ahead as it looks really cute, sporty and confident while walking. So, as we are now wrapping up the video, let's quickly recap what we discussed today. While building capsule wardrobe with footwear collections, always remember these above pair of shoes in your mind, which helps to reduce impulse buy behavior, save a lot of time, money and energy, and we can able to know what we really need. One or two comfortable pair of neutral heels, one versatile pair of daily flats and loafers, one supportive daily flats and sleepers, and one or two good sneakers and sport shoes. That's it. Instead of filling your wardrobe with many uncomfortable pairs, build a small collection of versatile shoes. Once you start following this, you will soon realize how much time you can able to save and at the same time your outfit start looking better. Your feet will feel comfortable. Because good style is not about having more things, it's about having the right things which should not create confusion while going to pair them with any outfit. And if you want to build a complete capsule wardrobe that works perfectly with these shoes, make sure to watch my footwear videos mentioned above and I'll provide the links below in the description. So that's it for today. See you in the next video with a new balancing idea. Until then, stay styled, stay smart. Bye bye.